Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh, nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower. Since y'all crazy people love to see me take latex off my face, I decided, why not cover my entire face with latex? But just latex is boring, right? Gotta make it scary. So here's the warning. Whatever you see ahead will most likely be somewhat scary or really scary. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Just did a bad thing. I regret the thing I did. Oh dear God. Ow, ow, ow. This is lovely. Am I sexy? Yes, I love pain. Okay, I'm gonna do it fast. Ow, 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 ow. Look at that mustache, though. Abort mission, it's in my hair. One little one. Yeah. My skin hates me. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Of course, it is time to take this off again. This is Capricorn from the Zodiac signs gone bad. Capricorn, yes. I was improvising the whole time, but honestly, I love how it turned out. I hope you guys like it too. First, I'm gonna go wash my hand because I can't touch anything with it. Now I got these horns on Amazon and I honestly love them. My hair's so messy. Back to the good stuff. Liquid latex literally, makes everything better. There's so many better ways to remove this, but I'm just so lazy. I just rip everything off. Oh. Nice. No more lashes. No, I just look crazy. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And that's it. Have a great day, you guys.
Hiya, Georgie. What a nice boat. Do you want it back? You look like a nice boy. Do you want a balloon too, Georgie? Oh, well, I'm Pennywise the dancing clown. Pennywise? Yes, meet Georgie. Georgie, meet Pennywise. Now we aren't strangers, are we? A storm blew me away. Blew the whole circus away.
Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. That's what time it is, if you were wondering. This is my first time wearing contacts and I have no idea how to take it out, so I'm gonna try to take that out and then I'll be right back. I did it, I took it out and I can still see. Oh my God, I can see. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. It's too long. That's what she said. Haha, I'm funny. Boop. No, this one definitely got my bottom eyelashes, so I am very worried. Oh my God. They're fine. They're still there. I'll be right back. Good day, everyone. Hi guys, I need to take my makeup off and I really don't want to. I really like having 3 eyes.
So I'm gonna do it.
Anastasia, please take off my makeup because I don't have the willpower to do that.
Come on.
Yeah, I just...
An eye.
Okay, the hard part
That's a
is
hole.
done. I like the barbed wire too. No! You don't have to be so aggressive. My eyelashes, wait.
This is really, I'm enjoying this.
I'm glad you're amused by my misery. Okay, I can do it. I can do it myself.
No, you can.
Yes, I can. Please. Yo, I don't want to take this off. What do I do in this situation? Like, I need to take it off. I took pictures of it. Like, ripping that eyelash off. Literally, pain. It's 11 p.m. and I need, like, I should start getting ready for bed, but I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I wanna have this on. I'm not gonna sleep all night. So I thought I would share the pain on TikTok because that's what TikTok has been for me. So let's do it. I can't. It's okay. We got this. Okay, there we go. That wasn't... I'm fine. I am so tempted right now to just redraw the part that I erased, but self-control. Let's do this part right here. Yes, like nothing ever happened. I did not spend 3 hours on this. No, I didn't. Nothing happened. I had no makeup on. Now I understand the people who like to draw on canvases other than faces, because then they don't have to take it off. It just stays. I'm sad. I'm gonna go eat or something. Okay, you guys. I'm sorry, but isn't this genius? Is this not the perfect look for Valentine's Day? And like, I already know that no one's gonna be kissing me on Valentine's Day, so might as well just kiss myself. I am sorry, I don't know why everything I say just comes off wrong. It is not my intention, I promise. Okay, these are some red lips. I got some saran wrap from the kitchen and I think I just kiss it. Oh boy, here I go. Like, okay. I mean, it definitely worked. Now I just gotta put it on my eye. If this is not the definition of self-love, I don't know what is. Okay? Hers definitely looked better, but maybe we can fix it by adding more. Look at how good this one turned out. I'm putting one on my neck as well just to be spicy like that. Ooh. No, we just said it. We have a problem. I'm trying to take off the lipstick and it's not coming off. It's fine, I'll make it work. Alright, y'all, I'm not sure, but I think I pulled. Hi. I don't want to take my makeup off again. I look so good. I don't want to take this off. I just want to stay a really cool goddess for the rest of my life. And can I get these, like, what if I use super glue? No, that's a bad idea. So I went to go change and then I got really sad and I ended up eating and now my lipstick's off, but I guess that's a good first step. All the blood in this thing has dried by now. Ah, well, there's no going back now. Not the glitters. Once again, no physical pain, just emotional. And you guys, have an amazing day. Guess what, brothers? It's time to take this off again. I honestly have no idea why you guys like these so much. Now, I can't take all the teeth all individually because it's coming off entirely, so I'm just gonna do a nice slow video of me taking this whole thing off. Isn't it beautiful? Tiny one. Now we're just gonna take everything off. Beautiful, right? All done. I'm gonna go drink some water because I'm very dehydrated. Guess what time it is, my friends? It's time to take this off again. It's already coming off because I've been jumping around. But oh my goodness. It's all one piece, literally. lovely. Y'all, look at this. Don't you love it? Boop. Little one. Okay, but low-key, that came off super well. Oh my gosh, there's so much glue on my eyebrow. I'll put like 5 layers on just in case. This feels so great. You have no idea. My skin can breathe. I'm so happy. I need to go sleep.